Hi, I'm Yuga, the founder and CEO of Virtualyyst. Get ready to experience something futuristic. Our new AI solution revolutionizes pre-sales by letting you explore properties even before they are built. It's crazy, right? You can view properties from anywhere in the world, attracting investments from overseas with ease. Imagine stepping into your dream home, entering the living room, exploring the parking lot from any part of the world. You can even plan your interiors before the property comes to life, getting a true sense of the space. Our 3D development showcases properties in stunning details, while our AI agent provides 24/7 sales support, answering all your queries and highlighting property specifications. Plus, it boosts conversion when used as a landing page in ad campaigns. We at Virtualyyst are transforming real estate with AI-driven innovation. Get in touch and experience the future of property exploration.
Hey Mira, take me to the lobby.
I've found these spaces that are most relevant. Where do you want to go?
Entrance lobby.
We are standing at the entrance of our main podium lobby. Each tower will have furnished entrance lobby at podium level. This is how we have designed it and are planning to execute it. Lobbies on each floor level are elegantly designed.
Show me some other places too.
Which place would you like to see next? Please specify the area or location.
Can you show me the living room?
We are now inside a 3-bed residence's sample unit and standing in the living room, which has an attached balcony and a dining area. We are now inside common bathroom, which is opposite to the children's bedroom.
Mira, what is the price of this apartment?
The price for apartments at the collection starts at 99 lakh rupees for 2 BHK, 1 crore rupees 55 lakhs for 3 BHK, and 2 crore rupees 36 lakhs for 4.5 BHK, all inclusive. Let's go for a quick walk and I'll show you around. Going next to the club reception. Within the club collection we have a fitness center, an indoor games room, a swimming pool, multi-purpose hall and a multi-purpose court.
Mira, tell me, why should I buy this property?
This property offers ultra-luxe living with premium amenities like a swimming pool, gym, and more in upscale New Kalyani Nagar. It's close to schools, hospitals, malls, and restaurants, making it a prime investment. Taking you to the guest bedroom. We are now at the guest room that has an attached balcony and bathroom.
Partner with Virtualyyst, where real estate meets AI innovation.